A well-liked business strategy that has grown significantly over time is dropshipping. It entails doing inventory-free online goods sales. Rather, the vendor depends on an outside vendor to complete the orders, which results in a low-cost, low-risk, and hassle-free method of managing an online store. The dropshipping industry is predicted to grow to an astounding $557.9 billion by 2025 as a result of the growth of e-commerce. Because of this, it's a desirable choice for business owners trying to generate income online. This post will provide guidance if you want to launch a dropshipping company but don't know where to begin. You must have a firm grasp of the business model and effective techniques to guarantee the success of dropshipping in order to profit from it. We will look at the top 10 dropshipping revenue streams in this post. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Let's start. Number 1. Find a profitable niche. The secret to running a profitable dropshipping company is choosing your niche. A niche refers to a particular area within a market. Your dropshipping company will succeed if you can identify a lucrative niche that will set you apart from the competitors. Look for items with minimal competition and great demand to identify a successful niche. To learn more about the newest trends, customer behavior, and rivals in your selected industry, do market research. To find niches in in-demand items, you may also utilize resources like social media, the Amazon Best Sellers list, and Google Trends. Number 2. Choose the right supplier. Selecting the appropriate supplier is one of the most important aspects that affects the success of your dropshipping enterprise. Your supplier determines the quality and promptness of product delivery. Think about things like cost, product quality, delivery time, dependability, and customer support while searching for suppliers. On well-known e-commerce sites like AliExpress, DHgate, and Salehu, you may look for suppliers. You may also meet suppliers in person and build connections with them by going to trade exhibitions. This approach is especially helpful if you want to deal with a smaller supplier or offer unique items. Number 3. Set up your online store. In order to display your items and generate sales, you must next set up your online shop. The fact that dropshipping eliminates the need to have a physical shop is one of its benefits. Well-known e-commerce sites like Shopify, eBay, Amazon, or Etsy are good places to sell your goods. The intuitive user interfaces of these platforms will assist you in setting up and personalizing your online business. Moreover, you may create your own website using BigCommerce, WooCommerce, WordPress, or Magento. Select the platform that best fits your demands and budget from the several degrees of scalability and customization choices available. Number 4. Optimize your product listings. The choices that prospective consumers make about what to purchase are greatly influenced by your product listings. Increasing the visibility of your product listings may help you draw in more clients and increase revenue. Don't forget to add crisp, enticing descriptions, precise information on material, size, and cost, as well as high-quality photos. To increase your chances of appearing higher in search engine results, use important keywords in the names and descriptions of your products. You may find high-volume keywords in your field by using tools like Google Keyword Planner and keywordtool.io. Include client testimonials and evaluations as well to establish credibility and trust with prospective customers. Number 5. Use social media marketing. Social media has ingrained itself into our daily lives and presents a plethora of opportunities for companies to promote their goods. Social media may be used to advertise your goods, connect with more people, and increase online business traffic. To promote your items, establish social media accounts on well-known websites like Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Utilize social media platforms to plan posts, monitor analytics, and interact with your audience, such as Sprout Social, Buffer, and Hootsuite. Collaborate with influencers within your field to expand your brand's reach and exposure. Number 6. Offer excellent customer service. Having excellent customer service may have a big impact on how your consumers see your company. Although dropshipping gives you less direct control over the order fulfillment procedure, you are still in charge of the client experience as a whole. Respond to questions and complaints from clients as soon as possible via email or social media. Chatbots can provide prompt and effective assistance. To ensure that your consumers are updated about their purchases, make sure your supplier offers precise tracking information. To encourage consumers to feel secure about their purchases, provide them with liberal return procedures. Number 7. Experiment with pricing strategies. Every company must consider pricing, and dropshipping is no exception. You can find the optimal price plan for your items by trying out several pricing techniques. To attract clients, think about providing discounts, package offers, and holiday specials. To equal or outperform the prices of your rivals, you may also adopt a competitive pricing strategy. After you have a deeper comprehension of your clients' inclinations and purchasing patterns, you may modify your prices to increase revenue. Number 8. Focus on customer retention. Maintaining your current client base is just as important as bringing in new ones. Encouraging return business from current clients is more economical than finding new ones. Provide recurring clients with rewards like loyalty programs, discounts, and special offers. Send out newsletters, customized emails, and social media updates to keep your consumers interested. Express your gratitude by sending a handwritten letter of thanks with their purchases and answering any reviews or comments they may have. Number 9. Expand your product range. After you've built a successful dropshipping company, you could think about expanding your product line. This will boost your potential sales and allow you to reach a larger audience. Think about expanding your current product line with complementing items. Offering a small number of items at a time will allow you to try out different niches and products and see which ones work the best. Before venturing into new sectors, however, be essential to do in-depth market research and comprehend your target demographic. Number 10. Be persistent and patient. Success in dropshipping requires perseverance and patience, just like in any other company. You can't count on making a significant profit right away. Establishing a profitable dropshipping company requires persistence, hard work, and patience. Be ready to encounter obstacles, disappointments, and setbacks. Nonetheless, keep going ahead and learn from them. Maintaining your business's competitiveness and profitability requires you to constantly assess your plans, track your development, and make the required corrections. Conclusion. Dropshipping presents several chances for company owners to launch and expand their e-commerce ventures. You may improve your chances of success by adhering to these top 10 suggestions. Recall that selecting the appropriate supplier, identifying the ideal niche, and providing top-notch customer support are crucial to your company's success. Making money with dropshipping requires perseverance, learning from your failures, and keeping up with the newest tactics and trends. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Tell us in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.